Hi everyone, welcome to this FDSA workshop. Houston, we've got a problem. So the first problem, before I get too into it, I just want to address that you might have several of these things going on, and you might think it's one problem, but it could be another one. And some dogs, they miss weave pole entries because they don't truly understand which gap is the first gap and how to get into that first gap. And then I'm working on this other entry. This is her stronger entry turning left into the poles, and it's usually stronger because of the lead leg conflicts we talked about. There are none in this situation, but I put a tunnel behind there, and she loves tunnels. My solution is to reward behind the dog so that as the dog is approaching the weave poles, they are anticipating turning 180 degrees